Moreover, it was in Patwa. You know Patwa?
Yeah, Patwa
is Jamaican language.
Okay,
it's a broken English from Jamaica. I'm sorry guys, but it's actually broken English from Jamaica.
I don't find pidgin yegu Nigeria. It's English, but you got twist was so.
It's actually broken.
Okay.
The only country that have got beautiful English, nice English, it's from Zimbabwe.
You can't take me free.
Where does it cross up the you? What a gone.
Really say boss.
And Boma Dinda.
Mukulonga with the sego.
You know what? Tumbo end up my works up a studio for 2 minutes.
Alright. Okay. Alright. So I'm down here in a studio. Okay. Do you again? Okay. Okay.
I think we'll be done with that. Yeah.
What are you going to do at the studio then?
Okay, so today there's nothing much. I'm just doing touch-ups on the mic session for Prosper Reel.
Okay.
Then after I'll do a reel that I have shot recently for these other white guys, right?
Okay.
And then after I'll do star mic session video that we'll put on our channel.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm sure guys you are ready for it.
You've got a mic session running.
Yeah, mic session running.
Okay.
So it's actually on our YouTube, but we used to shot it.
Okay.
Right, yeah. So
that's
what we are doing today. So I think a lot is in store, guys. Just keep in track, just subscribe to our channel so that we have fun. We teach each other things. You know, if you're a photographer or you want to learn photography, my channel have got everything. And also, if you come inbox, definitely I'll give you some tutorials, but there is a fee for that. There's nothing for Mahala, right?
That's nice. Okay.
All right, so guys, you'll be in touch soon. When I reach to the studio, we'll give you full updates for that. Sharp.
Can't go on the beat, boy.
Now we are at the garage, guys. We just wanna withdraw some cash. Actually, you'll be shocked. I'm just with the drawing 150 here, so that I can pay him. You know, yeah. Guys, we are taking the money.
Zvinhu zvisingabatane asi takaramba chingofaita. Vige yakandisimbisa kuti towina sambokwita. Vainditumidza mazita namwe inesu taisa zvida. Segeto yuti ndakaramba chete everything's gonna be alright. Vaititumidza mazita namwe inesu taisa zvida. Segeto yuti ndakaramba chete everything's gonna be alright. Ndini ndega ndokaziva kapeni kayonzara ndakafilawa. Patairara paityisa nyangwe vaikona vaitino manyambani. Handina kutibawa vakawanda vaitisvipa. Patairara paityisa asi Mwari vakazoita minana. Ndakakura zvakaoma embe taichinjana nina namukoma. Zvakanaka taichiva kune vamwe upenyu hwairwadza kunge murwere ari pakoma. Kura uone mwanangu, vaigaro ndiudza vekwangu. Kura uone mwanangu, vaigaro ndiudza vekwangu. Asi zvakazongochinja ndekufamba kwetai.
You can't take me free.
Where does it cross up the reel?
Okay.
We are going to where does it cross up the reel?
Yeah, chirupisa.
Chibaba. Apa patwe. Chirupisa.
So I track it in Deribiri.
This is a mixtape.
Okay.
For cross up the reel.
Okay.
So there are 2 songs in it.
Okay.
So we had to do a video combining the song and the
like a medley,
but of one person.
Okay.
Right.
So it's a video in a 2
songs on one
joined together.
Joined together.
All right.
So on this one, it was actually more emphasis about life, what called situations, right?
Okay.
On the song. But moreover, it was in Patwa. You know Patwa?
Yeah, Patwa
is Jamaican language.
Okay.
It's a broken English from Jamaica. I'm sorry guys, but it's actually broken English from Jamaica.
Ne pidgin yegu Nigeria. It's English but yaga twist was
It's actually broken.
Okay.
The only country that have got beautiful English, nice English, it's from Zimbabwe.
This is lovely. So
yeah.
Editor.
So what I'm doing now, I send the file to him. Okay. So what he told me, he said, "No, what? The management is saying, you know what? Can we put can you transcribe the video with the lyrics?"
Yeah,
so that's what I'm actually doing. I'm just putting the punchlines of the song.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got to pay the edit one, did it?
And the song is well done. And the guys are going crazy, not back and forth.
Okay.
But the only thing that is missing is the lyrics. Because you know what? This is part of broken English. So people, they need to understand what we are doing.
That's nice.
So, yeah.
So far, my videos are mashuta mangani like for the past month.
I think I have 5 videos that I have shoot. 3 are already out. I might mention the names of the artists that I have worked with for the past for just 1 month.
Okay.
There's a lady called Star Elefanti. She's an upcoming artist.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, I feel like my tracks again. She's got nice music.
Very
beautiful
music, and it's actually more Afro dance.
Yeah. True.
Yeah,
but she's talented.
She's very good. So actually, we released 2 songs within a space of a month with her. Okay. They are also on her YouTube channel, Star Elefanti Music. Okay. On her channel. And then there's another guy, J. Imole. He is also an upcoming artist, but yeah, for the beautiful song. Okay.
So you also did the video?
I did the video.
Okay.
It's on we shot it on YouTube.
Okay.
It's very nice, guys. You have to go and watch it.
Okay.
All these things I will put their links there, and then you go and watch. So, but today the main focus is on this video, which is Prosper for Real. Okay. So this is it. But it's coming soon.
We are trying our
best to work. You know, when you are in a foreign land, you try your best. You know, sometimes our English is too much for them. So somewhere, you might not get the clients. Okay. They really need someone with native language. Okay. So basically, on music side, I'm dealing more with Zimbabwean artists. Okay. But when it comes to pictures, kwanza uditsipika. Somehow, but you know that thing of language sometimes it's not fair. I know. But I'm calling out all Zimbabweans around South Africa, all South Africans around South Africa. Let's work. I do music videos. I'm a writer when it comes to storytelling, when it comes to music videos. Okay. Yeah. According to your budget, we can work.
According to your budget.
We can work.
Okay.
And we can also create a banger music video as a banger according to your budget.
Chero munagayane low budget.
You can 500, you can shoot.
But according to your
budget.
Okay.
We can't stretch ourselves on a low budget. Okay. But we can still do nice stuff on a low budget. Okay. Yeah, it's just a sample, guys. I'm not saying my videos are from 500. No. It's too little. Yes. But we can work.
Yeah, boss, I saw this video, Rasta. I really,
quality.
Nice. Quality is nice.
But you can tell that this is a $1 million project.
Yeah, it's $1 million project. Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So this is nice.
It's nice.
Mr. Whistle.
So let me play a simple. I know they won't strike me to cooperate these guys, but there's nothing much. I'm gonna chop it out.
Okay.
I'll give you a view on it. Yeah.
If you know in the first day, you better love it. Free space. Oh no, you can't take me free space. Me not give you no grace. Since you got it to clear, me can't replace. Me glad you gone. Me done.
When I'm shot, but tingo maybe.
Manyaban, antina kutipa, wakawanda vaitishipa. Patairara pachikisa asimwari vakazoita minana ndaka